What I wish I knew at my first sneeze instead of buying every pill. Small changes beat big meds. Here's how. First, tackle the air. Run a HEPA air purifier. Keep humidity around 40% to limit dander. Bathe pets weekly. Brush pets weekly, outside if possible. Use allergen-proof mattress covers. Use allergen-proof pillow covers. Wash bedding hot once a week. Swap heavy fabrics for washable options. Set a no-pet zone in your bedroom. Vacuum with a HEPA vacuum. Mop floors. No dry dusting. Try saline nasal rinses. Talk to an allergist about immunotherapy. Small habits, big relief.